Me Kirti again. I hope you guys are having an amazing time. In my today's video, I shall be showing you how you can get ready and get that office perfect look within 5 minutes. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, it's a really hot summer day out there. So guys, I really wanted this to be a very quick makeup video. I want to leave as soon as possible. So the first thing I normally use is a sunscreen lotion, a bit of my sunscreen lotion. I do add in a bit of foundation, a liquid makeup foundation, very small portion of it, just a 1 drop to give my skin a different glow. Okay, so I mix up these two, liquid foundation and the sunscreen lotion before applying. So I dab it all around my face and a bit on my neck. Make sure you spread it evenly all over your face. So this sunscreen, it protects your skin from the harmful UV rays, and the foundation also gives you a different glow. So after we are done with the sunscreen and the foundation, which I'm done with now, the next thing I would like to do is apply some Kajal around my eyes. I love to wear Kajal because it makes your eyes look more bigger and more brighter. Okay, so guys, I've got this Revlon Kajal right here in my hands and I'm going to apply it on my eyes. Okay, so I'm just done applying a very dark, nice coat of Kajal on my eyes. Now what I'll be doing is applying a bit of eyeliner because that just enhances the look and the beauty of the eyes. It just takes 2 minutes, so guys, make sure that you apply eyeliner. So guys, this is a liquid eyeliner that I got, and I'll mention the description of all these products I'm using in the description box right below. So here it is. This may take you some time if you're not used to applying eyeliner. If you're not comfortable with applying eyeliner, and if it's really going to take you time, it's okay if you don't do it. Your eyes will still look great with just Kajal. But I'm going to do this. Let's go on to this side. And your eyes are done. It's so simple and yet looks so sexy and so amazing. You're going to receive a lot of compliments on this. Okay, so guys, we're done with the eyes. Now is the time for lipstick or a lip gloss, whatever you like. I don't like lipstick, I'm not a lipstick person. I really love lip glosses because they make your lips look so much more shiny. I love that shine on my lips. So I've got this lip gloss and I'm going to apply a bit of it. Okay, so now guys, my makeup is all done and I've applied all the stuff that I had on my table. The last but not the least, I would love to accessorize a bit before I leave. So I've got these very cute earrings which I'll be wearing. Sweet. I got these from Bangkok. They look so pretty and so cute. I just love them. Style or maybe shake it a bit and you're all set. Okay, so guys, now that we're ready, the last thing that I would do is apply my favorite Victoria's Secret. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a huge and big thumbs up, and also do share it with all your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe. Until we meet next, have a great, blessed and an amazing week ahead. Oh, and also stay tuned to my upcoming videos. Bye.